Yourself.
I'm Alice Barrios, 27 years old, and I'm single. I'm college level. I worked before in Dubai for 2 years.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to help my family and to save money for my future as well.
Okay, Maris, do you have experience in newborn baby?
No, I don't have madam.
How about for the growing up children?
I have experience before in Dubai. I took care of them. In the morning, I prepared the uniform. When they go to school, I prepare foods for them. Prepare the foods, what they need, and
Okay, do you know how to cook?
yes, madam. Before in Dubai, my employer assigned me in the kitchen for 3 months. I helped the cook there. That's why I know some Chinese foods, Arabic foods, and Indian foods.
Okay, do you have experience in the elderly or disabled person?
No, madam, but I'm willing to learn.
What is your promise to future employer?
I promise that I will be responsible, honest, and hardworking. And I will obey all their commands and I will finish my contract.
Okay, thank you, Maris, and good luck.
Thank you.
Wala daw. Carol, introduce yourself.
I'm Caroline Asalcon, 39 years old, married. I have 3 kids and high school graduate.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I work in Hong Kong to earn money for the future of my children.
Do you have experience in newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am. I will give it the proper, her needs properly, like the milk, if it is baby, or if it is her clothes dirty, I will remove and change it. I
Okay.
will do my best.
How about for the growing up children?
The growing up children, I will give more her needs.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to cook like Filipino foods like adobo, machado, asado, paksiw, soup, and other.
Okay. Do you have experience in disabled or elderly person?
Yes, because my father, I have experience to my father. He's disabled, and I'm the one of serving.
Okay. What is your promise to your future employer?
I promise to my employer that I honest to her, honest, polite, kind, and I will do my best.
Okay, Carol. Thank you and good luck.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yourself.
I'm Angela Sosa Adona, 23 years old, married, 1 child, 3 years old. My working experience is babysitter, Miss Jocelyn Alon, 2 years old, 2 years.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To my family, to give a future to my daughter.
Okay. Do you know how to take your children?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Take a bath and change the diaper. Mm,
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
yes, ma'am. I cook Filipino food, and I'm willing to learn to food Chinese food.
Do you have experience in the elderly or disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What is your promise to your future employer?
I promise to my future employer, I cleanliness, I work.
What is your promise to
I
your
promise
employer?
to my employer, the cleanliness to my house. I cook everything.
Okay, thank you and good luck. Alam mo, ang promise sa amo, sabihin nyo lang na gusto nyo malit, introduce yourself.
I'm Relat Bilarandia, 24 years of age, married with 4 children. I'm university undergrad, 3rd level.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because to give my family a better life, to earn money for my children, and give my children to give a good future to my children.
Okay. Do you know how to take care of children?
Yes, ma'am. I experienced to change her clothes, change diaper, take a bath, and give her or him milk if it is needed.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Not
Do you know how to cook?
I'm not the best to cook food, but I want to learn more about cooking food because it's all I know is a simple cook food.
Okay. Do you have experience in elderly or disabled person?
Nothing, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay. What is your promise to your future employer?
I promise to my future employer to be a good domestic helper, patient, honest, and obey to the rules and regulations.
Okay. Thank you and good luck.
Welcome, ma'am.
Another. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Miss Carolina Acosta, 45 years old, married. I have 4 children. I finished 2 years course, junior secretarial course, and I work in Hong Kong 10 years, but I want to go back again.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
I want to earn more money and give a good future to my children.
Okay. Do you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about for the growing up children?
Yes, ma'am.
How to take care?
I take care, go to, in the morning, I wake them up and then I assist them go to toilet to brush the teeth, taking a bath, and then I give breakfast and then change the clothes before go to school.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to cook Chinese food.
Okay. Can you speak Chinese?
A little bit, ma'am. Siu siu.
Okay. Do you have experience in elderly or disabled person?
Elderly only, ma'am.
Okay. What is your promise to your future employer?
I promise to do all my duties as a domestic helper, and I'm honest, good, and understanding.
Okay, Carol. Thank you and good luck.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Good.
Hi, I'm Gracelyn Balanay. I am 26 years old. I am married. I have one daughter. She is 6 years old. I am a high school graduate. I am working as a babysitter for almost 2 years.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To earn money and to help my husband and my parents.
Okay. Do you have experience in newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am. I can change her clothes and change her diapers.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. I cook Filipino food like adobo, sinigang, and pinanihang manok. And I'm learning Chinese.
Okay. Do you have experience in elderly or disabled person?
I have no experience in elderly, but I'm willing to learn.
What is your promise to your future employer?
I will work hard and finish my contract.
Okay.
and obey their rules and regulations.
Thank you, Bliss, and good luck.